Dear students, good morning to all. I am very pleased to meet you again in video session. In previous class, we are discussing about decomposition reaction, and also the three main classes of decomposition reaction, like thermal decomposition reaction, electrolyte decomposition reaction, and photo decomposition reaction. Okay. Now in this class, we are going to discuss about single displacement reaction. Single displacement reaction. In single displacement reaction means the reaction between an element and a compound. The reaction between an element and a compound. A reaction between an element and a compound. Okay. When an element and compound react, the element present in the compound reactant, replaced by an element reactant, that is the single displacement reaction or replacement reaction or ion exchange reaction. Okay. In this reaction, the systematic representation of single displacement reaction is A plus BC gives AC plus DC. So AC plus B. Okay. Here, this is an element. This is compound. This is compound. This is element. Okay. So, in the single displacement reaction, an element displaces an element present in the compound to form a compound and element. Okay, to form a compound and an element. Okay. Here, listen. This is the element, the reactant element. Okay, this is the reactant or reactant element. This is the compound reactant. This is the compound reactant in that the elements are present. This is the compound. This is the element. Okay. So, reactant element displaces the element present in the compound reactant. This is the compound reactant. So, the element present in the compound reactant displaces to form a compound and an element. In this picture, the compound, an element A displaces B from BC, compound BC to form a compound AC and an element B. Okay, this is the single displacement reaction. For example, if zinc metal is placed in hydrochloric acid, hydrogen gas is evolved. That is, zinc hydrochloric acid, the zinc metal is placed in hydrochloric acid. hydrogen gas is evolved. Here, in the reaction, zinc displaces hydrogen from hydrochloric acid. Zinc displaces hydrogen from hydrochloric acid to form zinc chloride. Zinc chloride and hydrogen gas is evolved. Hydrogen gas is evolved. Okay, and otherwise, here a more reactive element in displacement reaction, a more reactive element displaces a less reactive element present in the compound. Okay, here more reactive, zinc is the more reactive than hydrogen. So more reactive element displaces less reactive element in the compound to form a zinc chloride and hydrogen. Zinc chloride and hydrogen. Similarly, in copper sulfate solution, the ferrous iron, the iron rod is kept in copper sulfate solution. Iron rod is kept in copper sulfate solution. It will form a iron sulfate and copper. Iron sulfate and copper. That is iron is solid plus copper sulfate solution. Copper sulfate solution was used when iron is kept in copper sulfate solution. Here the iron displaces copper. The iron displaces copper from copper sulfate solution to form iron sulfate. To form iron sulfate plus copper. To form iron sulfate plus copper. Okay. Here also, a more reactive element displaces less reactive element to form a iron sulfate and copper. Here, iron is more reactive than copper. Okay, iron is more reactive than copper. So, iron displaces copper from copper sulfate solution. Okay, and when iron is kept in copper sulfate solution, the green color copper sulfate solution changes the reddish brown color. Okay, the green color copper sulfate solution changes to reddish brown color because of formation of iron sulfate. Because of formation of iron sulfate. Okay, let us consider the reaction between sodium chloride and fluorine and sodium chloride and chlorine. Now, sodium chloride plus fluorine. Sodium chloride plus fluorine gives sodium chloride plus chlorine. Okay. Gas, chlorine gas, sodium chloride, of course. Okay. Similarly, sodium fluoride plus chlorine gas. In this equation, sodium chloride NaCl plus okay, let us consider the following equation. In first equation, sodium chloride reacts with fluorine to form sodium fluoride and chlorine. In second equation, sodium fluoride reacts with chlorine to form sodium chloride and fluorine. Okay. From this reaction, in first reaction, here the fluorine displaces chlorine from sodium chloride. Fluorine displaces chlorine from sodium chloride to form sodium fluoride and chlorine. Sodium fluoride and chlorine. In second equation, chlorine displaces fluorine from sodium fluoride. Sodium fluoride to form sodium chloride and fluorine. Sodium chloride and fluorine. Here, the out of these two reactions, the second equation will not occur. The second equation will not occur because fluorine is more active than chlorine. Fluorine is more active than chlorine. So as I already told you, a more reactive element is displaces from its aqueous solution. So that means here fluorine is displaces chlorine from sodium chloride because of fluorine is more reactive than chlorine. Okay, so this reaction takes place, but the second reaction will not occur. The second reaction will not occur because the chlorine is less reactive than fluorine. Fluorine is less reactive than fluorine. So chlorine do not displaces chlorine from sodium fluoride. Okay, chlorine do not displaces fluorine from sodium fluoride. Okay, we discussed about activity series of some elements. First, the activity series of some elements from most reactive to least reactive. Okay, first, potassium. Second, sulfur. Third, lithium. Fourth, calcium. Magnesium. Next, aluminium. Next, zinc, iron, lead, hydrogen, copper, sulfur, silver, gold, platinum. Okay, this is the activity series of some elements from most reactive to least reactive. Let us discuss some questions. Okay, let us discuss some questions. First, in which metal displaces hydrogen from hydrochloric acid? Okay, which metal displaces hydrogen from hydrochloric acid? Silver or zinc? Silver or zinc? Silver or zinc? Okay, is that in which metal displaces hydrogen from hydrochloric acid? Zinc or silver? Silver or zinc? Here, zinc is the correct answer. Zinc displaces hydrogen from hydrochloric acid. Okay, because silver is least reactive than hydrogen. Okay, look at this. Here, hydrogen is placed here, and silver below hydrogen. Here, silver are present, but zinc is present above hydrogen. Zinc present above hydrogen. So zinc is the most reactive than hydrogen, and silver is the least reactive than hydrogen. So silver cannot displace hydrogen from hydrochloric acid. So the balanced equation for this is zinc plus hydrochloric acid gives zinc chloride plus hydrogen gas. Plus hydrogen gas. Okay. To know more about single displacement reaction, let us discuss with some reactions. Some reaction. First, magnesium chloride reacts with magnesium chloride plus iodine. Second, calcium bromide. Calcium bromide plus fluorine. The single displacement will occur or not. In first reaction, magnesium chloride plus iodine. In that, the iodine is present below the chlorine. That means iodine is less reactive than chlorine. Iodine is less reactive than chlorine. So iodine cannot displace chlorine from magnesium chloride. So the reaction will not occur. And then second equation. In second, calcium bromide reacts with fluorine. Calcium bromide reacts with fluorine. Here, the fluorine is present above the bromine. The fluorine is present above bromine. That means the fluorine is more reactive than bromine. So the fluorine displaces bromine from calcium bromide. So the reaction will occur to form CaF2, calcium fluoride plus bromine. Calcium fluoride plus bromine. Okay. Similarly, in third equation, iron chloride and zinc. Okay. Here the zinc is present above iron. So zinc is more reactive than iron. So zinc displaces iron from iron chloride to form zinc chloride and iron. Okay. This is the single displacement reaction. Okay, so single displacement reaction means more reactive element displaces less reactive element from its aqueous solution. Okay, that is the single displacement reaction. And a reactant element displaces an element present in the compound reactant. Element present in the compound reactant. Okay, that is the single displacement reaction.
Next, double displacement reactions. That means the reaction in which the elements or ions exchange between two compounds are known as double displacement reaction. In that, the ion of one compound is replaced by the ion of the another compound. That means the cation can be replaced by other cations between the two compounds. This reaction is also called metathesis reaction. The general form of double displacement reaction is AB plus CD gives AD plus CB. In that, A and C from the reactant displaces to form AD and CB as a product. When double displacement reaction takes place, one of the product must be a precipitate or water. So based on this, the double displacement reaction classified into precipitation reactions and neutralization reactions. Next, precipitation reaction. An aqueous solution of two compounds react to form an insoluble compound and a soluble compound. That is called precipitation reaction. For example, a clear aqueous solution of potassium iodide and lead nitrate react to form lead iodide and potassium nitrate. In that, potassium and lead displace one another and form a yellow precipitate of lead iodide is formed. Here we get a product as lead iodide and potassium nitrate. In that, lead iodide is a yellow precipitate and potassium nitrate is a soluble compound. Next, a neutralization reaction. The reaction in which the acid and a base react to form salt and water, that is called neutralization reaction. In that, both acid and base neutralize each other. When the reaction takes place, here the sodium replaces hydrogen from hydrochloric acid and forming sodium chloride, that is a neutral soluble salt. One more example for this: ammonium hydroxide reacts with nitric acid, forms ammonium nitrate and water. In that, ammonia displaces hydrogen from nitric acid to form ammonium nitrate and water. Next, combustion reactions. A reaction in which the reactant rapidly combines with oxygen to form one or more oxides and energy. So, in combustion reactions, one of the reactant must be a oxygen. For example, LPG gas. It is a mixture of hydrocarbon gases like propane, butane, and propylene, etc. All these hydrocarbons burn with oxygen to form carbon dioxide and water. In all combustion reactions, heat energy is evolved, so it is an exothermic reaction. So, combustion reaction also be called as exothermic oxidation.